Hello, good morning. I just got back from the State of the Union address given by the Village of Northbrook President Catherine Ciesla. And from a realtor's perspective, I thought I'd just highlight a few things that I thought was interesting from today's talk. There was a lot of great information. It was a really good presentation. One thing to note, we know how great Northbrook is, but did you know that our property taxes in Northbrook actually went down this year? So that's great. The long-awaited pizza restaurant on Shermer Road, Napolita, they finally got their pizza oven, so they should be opening soon. Northbrook has a new village logo, so here it is. And it's green and fresh to show sustainability, so that's fun. And somebody asked about the townhomes on Shermer Road downtown across from the bank. Those are actually, they're up with a new developer. So that's why there's been a delay and a new developer is taking over on that. Single family home permits are down. And there's actually an increase in multi-unit homes that are being requested. So that's a trend that we're seeing around many different areas. People want lower maintenance and townhomes and less single family homes coming out from the city. And let's see, they're building a new luxury rental units, about 300 something units in downtown Northbrook for rent. So the local businesses are happy about that. And then for Green Acre, so there's about 150 acres at Green Acre. The developer is going to have it set up like a donut. They're going to be the center of the donut. And then 80 acres around is going to be donated to the park district so we can have open lands or whatever they want to do with it. Okay, we all know that Northbrook Court is very important to the village. They've given us over $3 million in sales tax revenue. So we're doing everything we can to keep that. And pretty soon she'll be able to talk about the deal that they have pending, but it's not quite approved or ready to go yet. Curaleaf has significantly given us tax revenue over the last 18 months or so. And let's see, what else? I guess the main thing is that there have been some comments that Northbrook isn't very friendly to businesses, but she wants to change that. They're making the approval process smoother and more streamlined so that we can attract more businesses. So I thought it was very positive. I'm very proud to live in Northbrook. And if there are any questions about the comments I said here, or if you'd like to know more information, I can run it up the flagpole and get back to you. So thanks for listening. Take care.